Is it time to buy or sell RCAT Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore RCAT Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of October 28, 2024, our system has identified RCAT Holdings as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.66. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 245.26% since we first categorized RCAT Holdings as a buy candidate 25 days ago. This results in an average return of 9.81% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a very wide and robust rising trend in the short term. This scenario often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the top trend line at $11.85 would indicate a stronger upward momentum. Analyzing the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of approximately 68.61% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 26.74% to an increase of 89.6%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of around 59.98% over the next year, with possible returns between a decrease of 55.07% and an increase of 78.49%. This implies a price range from $4.75 to $18.86 after a year. Our latest daily update for RCAT Holdings includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for RCAT Holdings Inc. Stock Price on Monday, moving between $10.11 and $12.57. The RCAT Holdings Inc. stock price fell by 10.24% on the last trading day Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, decreasing from $11.77 to $10.57. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 24.33%, from a low of $10.11 to a high of $12.57. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, and it has risen by 124.79% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which typically indicates a positive trend, as volume should generally align with stock price movements. On that day, the trading volume fell by 2 million shares, resulting in a total of 11 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $117,059,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $12.57, while the lowest price was 52.5 cents. Currently, the price is 15.95%, or $2.01, below the 52-week high of $12.57, which is also the all-time high for this stock. RCAT Holdings, a key player in the drone technology sector, is making noteworthy progress as evidenced by recent developments. On the 27th of November, the company elevated Jeffrey Hitchcock to the role of Chief Revenue Officer. His previous experience in establishing a global sales organization at Teal Drones could streamline RCAT's sales operations and drive revenue growth. Additionally, on the 19th of November, RCAT was selected for the U.S. Army's Short Range Reconnaissance Program, a significant achievement that could greatly enhance the company's visibility and revenue potential. Analysts indicate that this contract could potentially boost revenues by as much as $79 million, projecting the company to reach revenues between $50 million and $55 million for the year 2025, marking a significant increase compared to the previous year. Engaging with investors is also a priority, highlighted by RCAT's town hall meeting announcement on the 14th of November, where the goal was to improve transparency and strengthen investor relations. The company has also secured contracts to supply advanced drone systems to the Royal Australian Navy and has formed a relationship with the U.S. Army Communications Electronics Command, illustrating a diverse client base in both military and commercial markets. These developments position RCAT favorably in the short term to attract more institutional investors and elevate its stock price. In the long term, ongoing success in securing government contracts and expanding international partnerships could further bolster investor confidence, sustaining or enhancing stock performance. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to RCAT Holdings stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for RCAT Holdings. The stock of RCAT Holdings Inc. currently presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of $9.41 and $4.73. A drop below either of these levels would generate sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, and so far, the stock has decreased by 10.24%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggested a buy signal 164 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 122 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 176 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for RCAT Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $9.61 and $8.97. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support point. In this case, RCAT Holdings Inc. has support just below today's level at $9.61. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $8.97 and $8.36. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.46 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 24.33%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 19.51%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for RCAT Holdings, let's quickly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 20th day of December in the year 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at -8 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for RCAT Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for RCAT Holdings is at $11.77. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already invested in the stock, this may present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, RCAT Holdings faces its first support level at $9.61. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for RCAT Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of November, 2024, Mattis George Michael executed an insider sale of 7,050 shares of common stock. On the 10th of November, 2024, Mattis George Michael conducted another insider sale of 1,763 shares of common stock. On the same day, Lunger Leah also executed an insider sale of 34,478 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 1st of September, 2024, Mattis George Michael sold 10,000 shares of common stock. On the 8th of August, 2024, Lunger Leah sold 109,050 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 58.245. In total, insiders purchased 6,086,347 shares and sold 1,290,606 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.99, reflecting a decline of 5.44%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which inherently increases the risk involved. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, further elevating this risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is RCAT Holdings stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for RCAT Holdings Inc. stock to perform well in the short term. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation for this stock from a strong buy to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, we anticipate that RCAT Holdings will open at approximately 51.7 cents and commence trading around $11.08. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.